My name is John Watts. I am a personal injury attorney in Birmingham, Alabama, and I have been representing Alabama consumers for about 16 years or so. And one thing that we've noticed, particularly in the larger type cases, maybe that's an 18-wheeler case or a railroad case or a case where there is a very serious personal injury or a wrongful death, is that often the people that have been injured or the families of those who have been killed will be contacted by lawyers soliciting their business. And I wanted to share this video with you to just raise a couple of ideas in your mind. First of all, let you know that if a lawyer contacts you by phone and says, hey, you need to hire me, I'm a great lawyer, or sometimes what we'll see is there'll be kind of an intermediary, somebody usually called a runner, who will call and they'll say, hey, I was the ambulance driver and your mother's dying words to me were very important. She wanted you to hear them. Tell you what, if you'll meet with me, I got this lawyer you can meet with. That is unethical. That is illegal. And so if you are looking at a lawyer who is willing to do something unethical, that means they're willing to be disbarred, to lose their law license. You have to ask yourself, why? Why would somebody do that? Why would somebody risk losing their ability to make a living for the rest of their life? At least in the area that they've spent 7 years preparing for. And the reason is because they are so desperate to get your case that it's worth it to them to potentially not be able to practice law in the future. And so again, you have to ask yourself, do I want a lawyer who not only is unethical, but is so willing to risk his law license because he's desperate to get my case? And so I'll leave the answer with you. My suggestion is, if you are solicited by a lawyer, and we're not talking about a letter in the mail because that is allowed under the law, but a telephone call or these bogus things where it's the ambulance driver or something of that nature, my suggestion is to go the opposite way and not be involved with an unethical, desperate lawyer. If you have any questions and you live in Alabama, please feel free to give me a call, 205-879-2447, or you can visit our website, birminghaminjury.com.